Welcome, today in front of me Vivo X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap on the lock screen and wallpaper section. Then you'll see here the always on display section. We can change here the screen style, the time style, the theme. So we can use one from this default styles here. We can also use one from this themes. Just to activate, for example, let's use this one. Tap here to apply. Now we can see that this just theme applied successfully. Let's go back here. We can just here switch the display mode when move the phone slightly to display the AOD scheduled display, or just to show it all day. And also we can here turn on or turn off all of the notifications from the different apps from the phone, messages, or Facebook. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.